The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today rejected the ideas of having members from unrepresented communities in the council and village council in the autonomous area of the state. Speaking to the media, the KHADC Chief Executive Member Chyne said the council has rejected the ideas called unrepresentatives in the council and village council. Chyne also informed that the ruling United Democratic Alliance is supporting Lampang Bla to be the next chairman of KHADC.
Bat kabalay pat kaba nakaliang kajungi mentakasing ilay keren sani bha kalong bang menjur pat ya kajing rai yang sarkar bandan ya ki village council kajing pemenjur jungi ya kani nama kalong bang syai kai kajing temu jong ka sarkar ba haba menjur ya kani village council namar kumbang yang halo kanong rim banadu basdam ba kanunu ka amendment ka 62 kadai banong banang pentlanya ke traditional institution ki bangidon ke bamut ki dor basno kaya ta kadau kanu ke jingwan ra ya ka amendment ka ban tengkela dur ya ki traditional institution jungi nakal yang jungi ngin menjur dalile ya kata but ya kanirung in sapen sengaw ka delegation ka bangin sekendu CEM ba nakal yang jungi ko banyo jing syai ngani la ka village council ka bagi temu tadai ne em kat kum jing temu jong ka home ministry makin dan kita ki cluster council kapamut ba ki ngan suan society kapamut ba ka shifo teli Shillong kindan ka council ha ka ba chairman unde orang ba Shillong tengi menjur kata namar ba kumno mentala da shifo teli darbar Shillong kin ha ka ka council but we chairman orang ba Shillong dong ka Shillong unlong chairman jo kata council kaban hap jom shifo teli Shillong kanum ya hap bag ngengit pat ba kin menjur kan ni pat ha ka ju poru kan sawara no ka jing kulmar ya ka rukom sensar kadar ke badan ha ka ri ke jongi ka balong kat kum kinitik dustu